Once you have completed a survey or built a form, from time to time you may want to update the details of the questions you're asking. What you want to do is you want to go into a the site, and I'm just going to review what I mean by that. So let's say, for example, I want to go into the core calendar questions. So in the form, you have got all these different questions you have built, and I don't like this particular question, for example. So to edit this, I can simply remove that, but I may want to ask and change some of those details. So to have a better understanding of how a form and survey and custom fields has been set up is that a form and survey just simply houses the question or the custom fields that you have in the system. And this can be drag and drop into a form or a survey. So to edit this, or edit the $40 or $50 per week, you are going to need to go into the section under custom fields. So as best practice, I usually like to know what fields I want to change. So I will normally copy this particular question, and I want to know exactly the question I'm looking for or the field I'm looking for. And I'm going to go into settings, and I'm going to go into custom fields. Custom fields are values that exist in every single contact that we have in the system. And every contact that gets added, you will have these fields against it. So I can go in there, edit that field if I want to. So as you can see, I'll paste it here into the search field, and you can see that is the field I'm looking for. So I need to make sure you go into here. I go into edit, and now I can freely change this to whatever I need it to be. So maybe my starting point is $60 to $80 a week. I want to add another option, $150 plus, for example, 150. And now I can update this particular field. And when I go back into this here and I'll refresh this screen, because I've updated a custom field in the system, we need to make sure we are able to see the reflection of that particular question. It gets automatically updated across all the forms and all the surveys that have got that particular field in place. That's why they separated between the custom fields, forms, and surveys. So when you do update one custom field, it will apply to all the surveys that may have that particular question in place.